Hello, everyone. It is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to talk about getting a ride with Uber and Lyft. This video is about Lyft. There is a different video for Uber. So for Lyft, the first step is to get the app. So download and install the app. Allow location services. So in the App Store, search for Lyft. Download and install the app. When you click open the app, it will ask if it can access this device's location. Press while using the app. You have to press while using the app for Lyft to work. Now you can set up your account. Press Get Started. Get started. First, you will enter your phone number. Your phone number. Next, you will enter the numbers from the text you received. So, Lyft will send you a text message, and you will have to copy the numbers from the text message here into the Lyft app. Next, you will enter your name, first name and last name. Next, you will enter your email. Your email. And if this is too fast, you can pause the video. So, your email. Next, Lyft will ask you to agree to the terms of service. Press I agree. Press allow to receive notifications. Allow. So this will let you know when your driver is close. So it is important to allow notifications. Next, you will choose how to pay. So if you want to pay with a credit card, you can enter in your number, or you can choose PayPal. So, credit card or PayPal. You will enter your payment information, your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. All your payment information. Then you can add a profile photo. a picture of yourself. So you can take the photo or do it later. If you need a ride now, press Take a ride now. If you want one later, press Get ready to ride later. A ride now, a ride later. So, if you are ready to ride now, you have to read the COVID-19 safety guidelines. Press I accept. I accept. So these safety guidelines are things like wearing a mask and washing your hands. Now it is time to call a ride. First, you will press Search Destination. Choose where you want to go. Search destination. Now, if I want to go to Piedmont Park, I will type in Piedmont Park, then press the address. Choose what kind of ride you want. Press Select Lyft. So I want a standard pickup in 6 minutes. This costs $15.60. I will get there at 2:52 p.m. If this sounds good, I will press Select Lyft. Choose where you want to meet your driver. Press Confirm and Request. So on the map, I can choose where I want the driver to meet me. If I like this location, I will say Confirm and Request. Now I will wait for the app to match you with a driver. So just wait. Once the app has matched you with a driver, you can wait for your driver at the pickup spot. This driver is named Maurice. He is 6 minutes away. We see here Maurice. He is 6 minutes away. Before you get into the car, make sure the car model and license plate match what the app says. The car model is here. What kind of car? Maurice drives a Dodge Charger. The license plate is RRY 0307. The license plate is on the back of the car. So here on the app, we see the car model and the license plate. Here are some tips for using Lyft. Make sure your location services are allowed in settings. Call your driver very early. If you need to be somewhere at 2 p.m., call them at 1:30 p.m. Always double check the driver's picture, the car model, and license plate number. You must wear a mask. The driver must wear a mask. Remember, the same driver will not come back to take you home. You have to open the app and request a driver again. Thank you for watching.